Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Not doing anything fancy tonight, guys. Just got some bone-in pork loin chops in here. Gonna get them seasoned up. Gonna get them on the Weber kettle and sear them off and get some glaze on there and just make some good family home dinner tonight. So guys, want to join me? Let's go get this seasoned up. Okay, as you can see, it's nice looking little chops. This standard package we picked up. About the only thing we can forward anymore from the grocery store. But this nice looking loin chops are about maybe 3/4 inch thick. Should be a nice little dinner. Just gonna add a little olive oil to them. You guys, you've seen me use this before. I love this stuff. This is the herbaceous hen from Gillaholics. I am partnered up with Gillaholics, so be sure to check the link below and we'll get you 20% off by using that link. Alright guys, we're just going to flip these over and repeat the whole process. And that's it. We'll just see you out at the grill. Now we're there. There we go. Get this heated up. That's right. This here is about ready to go down. Alright guys, it's time. This ain't gonna take that long. I don't know how many I can get over here. I'm gonna have to rotate this out. We're gonna sear these off to begin with. As many as we can. Here directly over the heat. Might be able to do this. Be close. Alright, we'll check back here in a few minutes and flip these. Alright. It's been about 3 or 4 minutes. Come in here and give these guys a flip. Oh, look at there. Would you look at that? What I'm talking about right here. That is beautimous. Beautimous. Loving everything I see. We'll check back in about 3 or 4 more minutes. Let's get these indirect. Let's see what we look like here. I like everything I see. Now, unlike when we did the pork steaks, these only need to be at about like 140 degrees, 145. We're probably close to that now, but I want to start glazing these. I'm gonna check tips on it. I bet we're pretty close. Well, 135, we're very close to the 140. We got to get some glaze on these and let it set a few times. This is at the Sweet Baby Ray's hickory and brown sugar. Just gonna glaze these off. Have a good time with it. I'm so excited, I'm gonna go ahead and flip them and glaze the other side now. Smells delicious. Guys, this is all we're going to do here. We're going to do this 2 or 3 times, and we'll go inside and get a taste test. Alright guys, would you look at that? Coming out with a few green beans. Add a little corn on the cob, right there. Cut a little bit of this right here. Alright guys, look at that. Alright guys. It's just home cooking is all we're doing tonight, guys. Tell you what, that herbaceous hen is delish. It is delicious. One more bite. Of course, you can't go wrong with Sweet Baby Ray's. It's that brown hickory sugar, or yeah, hickory and brown sugar is what it's called. Guys, thank you as always. This is just. Price of beef right now is outrageous, so we're buying a lot of pork and chicken, so we'll see how it goes. It is very tasty. This was very good. We do some just pork chops every once in a while. Just good home food, comfort food. So that's all we're doing tonight, guys. So appreciate you coming and joining me. So guys, see you on the next video. God bless ya. Bye-bye.